Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to rotate your photos without installing or without adding editor application on your phone. So yeah, let's go into the photos first, and now choose which photo that you want to rotate. And after that, take a look on the right upper corner here. There is two options, either edit or three circles here. Go into the edit button, and after that, how to rotate it, you just need to go into this downside features here. There is three features, either you want to editing or adjusting the light, or you have a filter, and this one is to cropping or adjusting the size. Go into this, and after that you can go rotate it by go into the left upper corner here. There is two options, either you want to flip your pictures or rotate. So if you want to rotate, just click it once and adjusting into the positions that you want to. Okay, for me, I want this photos faced into this way, and after we finish adjusting the positions, go into done, and now your photos is already rotate. So that's all the way you rotate the photos without installing any application on your phone. So I hope that this video is quite useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.